Alright, this video is on doing conversions. So whenever we're doing a conversion, we're going from one unit to another. And say, for example, we have a ruler, standard ruler is 12 inches from one end to the other end. But that standard ruler is also 1 foot from one end to the other end. And we want to convert 6 inches into feet. So the first thing we need to do to make this conversion is know an equivalence statement. How many inches are equivalent to a foot? So from a standard ruler, we know that 12 inches equal 1 foot. And from that equivalence statement, we can make two conversion factors. We can say that 12 inches is the same as 1 foot, or that 1 foot is the same as 12 inches. So we can have two different conversion factors depending on which way we want to go. To start with, we can draw our map of what we're trying to do. We're trying to go from inches to feet. So that's the conversion we're interested in. So we're starting with 6 inches. So we have 6 inches here, and we want to go to feet. So the unit we're trying to go to, feet, we need that on top of our conversion factor. So to make this conversion, we would use this factor here, that 1 foot is the same as 12 inches. And then we're going to multiply 6 times 1 and divide it by 12. Our units of inches will cancel, and it'll leave us with units of feet. And so this will be 0.5 feet. And we can go back and look and say, does this make sense, right? And so if 12 inches is all the way across, 6 inches is halfway across, so 6 inches would be half a foot, so that should make sense. All right, and now we'll do another conversion for practice. Here we want to convert 100 centimeters to inches. Right? And we want to make this conversion, we need to know the equivalence factor. How many inches equal 1 centimeter? And so 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. So that's just telling us how much of one thing is equivalent to how much of another. Right? And from this equivalence statement, we can get two conversion factors. We can say that 1 inch is the same as 2.54 centimeters. Or the same statement can be made that 2.54 centimeters is the same as 1 inch. So those are the two possible conversion factors. So let's draw a map of what we want to do. We're trying to go from centimeters to inches, so our road map is centimeters to inches. We're starting with 100 centimeters, and we need a conversion factor here. We're going to inches, so we want to pick the conversion factor that has inches on top. So then we're going to say that 1 inch is the same as 2.54 centimeters. And all we have to do now is divide 100 by 2.54. And if you plug that into your calculator, you should get 39.37 inches. So this is the basic way you'll do any conversion. You need to find what the equivalence statement is, how much of one thing is equivalent to how much of another. And then from that equivalence statement, then you can make conversion factors. And the conversion factor you choose depends on what units you want to end up with.